Top 5 IKEA hacks for small apartments. Faced with ever-shrinking apartments, inventive renters are treating their lack of space as a creative challenge and sharing their decorating and storage solutions to help the rest of us maximize our square footage. They've found that when it comes to small space furniture, IKEA has an abundance of solutions that can be applied and repurposed in a variety of ways. From clever storage ideas for small bedrooms to kitchen organization, you can make it all work on a budget with these IKEA hacks for small apartments. 1. Mount a drop leaf table on the wall. This idea doesn't require any hacking, just taking advantage of a great design. IKEA's Barista wall-mounted drop-leaf table can seat two for dining and work double duty as a desk. When not in use, it keeps a low profile against the wall when you need the room. If you're feeling handy and want to get more creative, here's a bunch more ideas for DIY wall-mounted desks and tables. 2. Seating with hidden storage. In a small dining space, finding pieces that can do double duty is key, which is why this idea is genius. Join together a couple Nordy dressers from IKEA to create cool modern bench seating for a breakfast nook. With hidden storage underneath, it's the perfect spot to keep napkins, tablecloths, candles, and more organized and at the ready. 3. Create an itty-bitty built-in. Every home can benefit from a command station. Here, leather handles and a wooden top upgrade the stall shoe cabinet, making it the perfect narrow cabinet to serve as the command center and a tiny kitchen. At just 7 inches deep, this smart hack can hold computers, keys, and even cat food without taking up valuable kitchen space. 4. DIY a platform bed with cabinets. When the footprint of your bedroom is small, it's best to maximize space wherever you can. Consider mounting your bed on top of IKEA kitchen cabinets for added storage. The project is no small undertaking, but it makes a clever way to save space while turning your bed into a conversation piece. 5. Install a sleek office organizer. Squeezing out dedicated desk space is essential, especially if you work from home. Here, a DIY pegboard that adds storage without compromising on style. Just paint a Scadis pegboard a chic charcoal gray that plays down the computer monitor, then spray painted hanging accessories gold to round up odds and ends.